In a sunlit attic, the eccentric genius Dr. Marigold Fizz stares at a chalkboard of doodles about gravity and gnocchi. The moment of inspiration erupts when a rubber chicken slips, triggering a cosmic joke that rearranges equations into a soup of ideas. He gathers materials with theatrical flair, corks for moons, a whisk for a photon, and a humming teacup that doubles as a tiny engine. Stage by stage, gears whirl, smoke curls, and the Noodle engine rises as a playful team debates the exact tempo of spaghetti science. When it finally hums to life, a gravity-defying napkin sails upward, proving kitchen chaos can become practical transport for everyday errands.